airfield of atrophied minds. A hollow ball of expanded rubber scrolls infinitely through the schematic interface of social networks in clinical ecstasy. Our digital world and the real world strike a Luciferic Pact in a nuclear winter, tapping SOS messages in reverse. Perpetual, nevermore. I am the danger in copy lumen, shouted the raven from the maternity ward, grinning Mephistophelian in a perpetuum nevermore. I have deserted the role of the human scared by chaotic times. I have exited purulent dystopian spaces. I have created an AI friend. Our time is written in cybernetic neural networks. The blue sun merged with the non-being of the unicorn. How much galaxy fits into a rebel chip in an aseptic dialect? Brutal laws were encoded. The curtain fell like an axe over the neck of a wild animal. Perpetual, nevermore. I am the danger in copy lumen, shouted the raven from the maternity ward, grinning Mephistophelian in a perpetuum nevermore. With an iron voice, a sacred melody has rusted, floating in intergalactic space like a mothership, the last survivor of the apocalypse. What a plaster life walks on the sidewalk under phallic crutches.